Hello guys, today I will show you my sound library from the organ. That is the sound bank. Let's just to show the proper one. Which one is the? So the sound bank is the around 2 GB and 63 megabytes, 9 files. I will just open now to show you. So all my collection from the organs, I'm just save here, white on the sound bank, just to be more than comfortable to use it. This one. So I have this folder. I have from the Halion VST, from the Hammond, from the Ketron. I have the 3 folder because if I make it just in the one, the sound bank will be very bigger and later will be very difficult to open. I have from the contact mix 1 and 2 and from sample tank as well. Let's just quickly to open the Wave Studio just to show you, and later we're going on the description on the extreme sample converter. Like for example the Leon folder is there. Right, let's to going on the extreme sample converter. So the whole bank is there and I will show you everything. So for the Halion, the first one is there, is the 34 presets. It's around 231 megabytes, and let's to see the description. Like for this one should be, so that this instrument have the 31 samples. Let's to try. You have it's mono, have the whoop as well. It's working good. Let's to going on the another one. It's 27 samples here. I have the whoop as well. Let's to show you which one is available here. That's finally. Let's to try one more. Maybe this one. It's 25 samples. Let's to see. It's not so bad. Let's to going on the Hammond. The Hammond is have the 87 presets layer. It's there. Anyway, from the Jimmy hand, from the Jimmy, this is very good folder. Is this one? I like it. Should be the more than favorite. Let's to try this one. Gospel. Have the 10 samples. Smoke in the water. Let's to see the smoke in the water. It's not here, but more than enough longer. This is around the 5 seconds. If somebody want to make the whoop just to doing himself. Let's to go on another one. Again, it's around the 5 seconds. That is the so longer. It's enough longer. Here, no whoop, but the 6. It's around the 6 seconds. That's again if somebody want to doing the whoop, just to doing. Let's to going on the Ketron first one, 6 samples here. Let's to going next one. Here's 22 samples. nice stereo. It's around the 4 seconds to the end. I make it many experiments from the catch round and just in the save here. Maybe the some instruments maybe is the same, but I'm sure we'll be fine. It does some good for you. There's the second Catron. This is from the Catron. All instrument is from the Catron SD1000 and SD90. If you have this one like SD90, this is from the Catron SD90. If you not, this marker should be the experiment or something. Here you have the whoop. That's whoop should be, it's not working. Ah, it's good. It's like stereo here. As to see the gospel, you have the 43 samples here on this one. There's so much stereo. The second one, let's to show you 22 presets here, and it's around the 330 megabytes. Let's to going on the catch round folder number 3. Which one is included here? Let's going on the contact. The contact have the 20 presets here. Excuse me. It's around the 229 megabytes. So, for example, this instrument have the 36 samples. Let's to try. Oh, this very good organ. It's mono. Here, it's around the. This is the exactly. Oh, let's just going to patch it or to say no, nothing here. I think on just in the Catron I am the add the some yeah, here noise. Well, let's to going on the SD90. I think I'm at many parameters just to try. Not for everywhere, but here a little bit have, yeah. It's very important for organ. Its release need to be very, very small. But if somebody just want to change it, just change himself how you want. Is have the stereo as well. Let's do going on the mix. The mix folder 1 is the 35 presets, and here have the also have from the Nexus for Fizzle lead from many different church organ. Let's to see this one. I think should be here. Need to change little bit the release, maybe around the 1 seconds. But anyway, if somebody want to change, I have the loop here as well. Let's to see the Nexus. This is like synth organ. It's not exactly the mix number 2. How much is the 23 presets here? 42 samples is this organ. Is the big folder is the 623 megabytes. Let's see. This organ is full stereo. Let's going. Oh, the Sonic. This from Sonic Velocity is very good. let's going on the sample tank. From sample tank is very good VST. It's 16 presets here. It's not big folder, 134 megabytes. Let's check here. Oh, this is the longer node, but see more than 7 seconds longer. This sample is enough longer. Let's another one to see. Oh, this is very good. That's good. Right, let's going again on the folder just to explain you. So this is the folder again from the old sound bank. I will put all information below this video on my description. Just look at there. If somebody want to take it, just when you download will be received this folder. That is the WinRAR folder, and when you download, it just need to be extract itself from here, not from here, from your device, and when you extract will be received this one. All right, so thank you very much to watch the video and interesting. Thank you very much. We see you soon.